Hi, y'all. I'm Anitra Preston, and welcome to the Vertical Capital Income Community. Can you imagine a life where your income grows predictably and it's turning into 5, 6, or 7 figures without needing credit to start? There's no business lines of credit needed. There's no rentals or real estate, no businesses, no stocks, no trading. No Forex, no magic blueprints to millions, no Amazon automations, no Shopify, no Walmart stores, or any complex financial instruments. In our community, Elridge and I teach you how to achieve this with just 15 minutes of your time every single month. And the best part is it's all liquid cash, meaning your money's not locked up into some fancy banking instrument where you don't access it for another 50 years and you gotta let it sit there for 30 years in order to have this astronomical growth. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking it's just another course that overpromises and underdelivers. I get it. But let me assure you, if I wasn't seeing these results myself, if I wasn't experiencing this myself, I'd be skeptical too. But even better, if I wasn't doing it, I certainly wouldn't share it with us. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to Russell, Will, and Keith. Their stories are in the next videos behind this one. They are real people experiencing real results. I'm talking transformative results real fast right now. Keith has been with us for like 4 months, and he's grown his income from 0 to $14,000. Will has been with us for 8 months, and he's gone from 0 to $28,000. But if you are anything like Russell, super aggressive investor, he's been with us for 10 months, and he's already grown his capital from 0 to $47,000. Now, can you imagine compounding your income every 3 to 4 months with zero risk? Yes, zero risk. Every investment strategy out there comes with risks and learning curves to master. But what if there's a better way? Just what if? What if you can invest in something today and see your income compound every few months with any risk or any credit needed to start? Think about that. Elridge and I have spent close to 15 years, in fact, over 15 years, and over $70,000 in education to receive these strategies that we're going to share with you in this curly. We've done everything imaginable, right? We've been real estate wholesalers, landlords, Airbnb strategists, flippers, commercial developers. We've tried drop shipping. And unbeknownst to him, I've even also tried Forex, and nothing. I do mean nothing. Absolutely nothing compares to this. We want to make an exclusive offer for a limited time only. We want to offer the first 50 people who join us access to this community for just $249 per month. This offer not only includes the Vertical Capital Income Machine, which is the greatest path to financial freedom, it also includes 3 other courses. The Private Money Lending Mastery course. You can learn here how to raise capital, structure profitable deals, protect your investment with the right type of insurances, and more. This course, we previously sold this course for $2,997. Now it's included in this community for no additional cost. There's a 401k course. You can discover how to roll over your 401k into self-directed account and supercharge your retirement savings beyond imagination. We previously sold this course for $49, and now it's included in this community. Underwriting. Master how to underwrite deals. You make money when you buy, not when you sell, or even when you lend. You make money when you underwrite properly. Whether you're a fix and flip or a lender, learn how to underwrite deals and submit safe offers. It's important that you understand how important it is to underwrite deals. And guess what? You get this course for free inside of the community for just $249. The value of the vertical income machine is worth its weight in gold. By itself, for $249 per month, you can learn how to grow your income to 5, 6, or 7 figures, again, with zero risk. Now, where do you do that? Right here at Vertical Capital. The private money lending course previously sold again for $2,997. All the courses combined, guys, they have a value of it that exceeds $100,000 in value. And today we're offering it for $249 per month. We understand what it's like to buy a course where the creator again has overpromised and under-delivered. I mean, it wasn't nothing like what I had imagined in the past, right? When I pick up buy these courses, it's nothing like what you've imagined. And so we understand it. And so that's why we want to offer a 7-day free trial. That's right. Try it out for 7 days before you buy it. You can experience our community risk-free for a week. Dive into our transformative strategies and see what we're doing every single day, in and day out. Wait, not only you get access to 4 courses for $249 per month, but you will get access to myself and Elridge and other community members, where we will answer any and all of your questions. Everything we are doing in our business, you'll get it too. You'll get 2 reminders every month that it's time to make your monthly capital investment. You get access to all the documents we use in our businesses. This includes monthly track sheets for your income growth and community discussions. We will share real results from community members. Before I show you inside the community, I want to make a few disclaimers. Results are for those, I'm going to say it again, results are for those who are consistent and are committed. That's the only way this works. We ask that before you join the community, that you have an open mind. Most of what we'll teach inside of this community will go against traditional wisdom. Our income strategies are thought-provoking and are not conventional by no means at all. No, there's nothing out here on the internet like it. So the only thing we ask again is that you are consistent, that you remain consistent, and that you are committed and you have an open mind. So let's dive into the course or inside the classroom. And we can see, explore a little bit more. So look, let's go straight to the mastery class, right? I think this is so key, right? So inside here, we're going to start, you got to start here. We're going to set the foundation. There are several phases to the income machine. One of those phases is called the income phase, where we'll share 2 income sources with you right out the gate. Income phase is where we begin to grow our capital, as I stated, by 5, 6, and 7 figures. Then we got to put everything all together. But then there's the growth phase, right? And so the growth phase is where we begin to teach you how to buy assets inside of your income machine. to know that again, it's nothing like that you've been taught on how to buy assets or how to buy real estate. You're going to buy real estate with this mission, right? We're also going to show you how you can pay off the debt, basically changing a 30-year mortgage to almost to 7 or 8, right? We'll go into that inside this community as well. Not necessarily in this videos, but more so inside of the community. There'll be community discussions on how to get that done. We're going to explain to you what we're doing as far as hyper compounding this growth, because that's a strategy in which we use to go from 0 to 47 to 100K over the next few months, right? So let's take a look at the private money mastery class, right? And so this thing is loaded, guys. We go to how to raise capital, marketing to borrowers. You get the different types of insurances that are needed. We cover again underwriting again, right? It's very extensive. We go to how we structure our company, right? And so you can learn how to structure your company as well. We have loan documents. I'm going to be uploading more loan documents as we proceed on into the community, right? So let's go to the 401k. And here again, I dive deep into how you start investing with your 401k, the things that you need to do. If you have a 401k and different types of custodians or accounts that you need to roll that over into self-directed accounts. So therefore you have full control over your retirement and how to, again, this is also a strategy where you can grow your capital tax-free or tax-deferred. So this is something that I definitely would encourage you to do, right? We'll have leaderboards here. And as we continue to grow, we may consider some awards for those who top in leaders, right? And as you can see here, we'll have some calendar times. We'll go ahead and set the calendar to remind you when you can, when it's time for you to make your monthly investment inside of your income or growth machine. Well, guys, this concludes this video. And I want to welcome you to the Vertical Capital Income, a transformative community where you will see results immediately upon implementation. You won't wait 5 and 6 years to see. Then you can grow from 0 to 28,000 or 47,000, or in our case, 37,000 in just a short few months, liquid cash that you have access. So I hope you consider joining today, and I can't wait to see you in the comments.